Garlic water is one of the best beverages in the world. You may have never tried drinking garlic water before, but you will be surprised by its significant health benefits to our bodies, and especially the benefits of drinking garlic water every morning. Garlic is one of the foods we most use in our kitchen and many cooking recipes, to flavor many meals such as salad dressings, meat or fish, soups, vegetables, stews, and marinades. However, this excellent bulb is essential for its benefits to our body and health, because besides cooking, we can use garlic in water to prevent or treat several health issues. In today's video, you will discover the best garlic water recipe, the 10 benefits of drinking garlic water, and how it helps detoxify the body, maintain normal blood glucose levels, reduce cough, asthma, common cold and cholesterol, eye and brain health. By following the better preparation below, you will also learn to prepare an easy garlic water drink, an excellent beverage for your daily diet to significantly improve your health and avoid its pungent smell. To prepare garlic water, all you should do is cut 1 to 2 cloves of garlic into tiny pieces. It is most beneficial to prefer organic garlic. Then, add garlic pieces to lukewarm to warm water and leave for 4 to 5 minutes for the garlic to take on its properties. Mix well and drink it with or without the garlic pieces. It is an ideal morning drink on an empty stomach, and at least 1 hour before your breakfast. Another method is to prepare garlic tea. Add hot water to a cup with 2 to 3 cloves in small pieces. Leave them for 4 to 5 minutes, drain, and drink the night before bed. This night tea will offer your body relaxation and detoxification. You can also add 1 tablespoon honey and a slice of lemon or the juice of half a lemon. This complete recipe will provide even greater efficiency and overall body benefits. The benefits of drinking garlic water every morning are endless. However, let's see below the best 10 garlic water health benefits to prevent or reduce many diseases. Number 1, healthy kidneys. The kidneys play a significant role in our bodies, however possible infections burden them and affect the function of other organs. Garlic, however, can treat and prevent the development of a pathogen called Pseudomonas aeruginosa or piocyanin. This pathogen is a type of bacterium and the most common human infection cause. In comparison, it is also responsible for diseases in animals and plants. The pathogen fills the walls of our urinary system, causing all kinds of kidney issues and infections. It can also negatively infect skin wounds and burns and cause a respiratory infection. Piocyanin is often found in the infected respiratory tract, leading to necrotic pneumonia. When a kidney problem develops, you can add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic to salads and meals. Alternatively, you can drink 1 glass of lukewarm garlic water daily to protect the kidneys and gradually eliminate the infection. Number 2, it reduces hypertension and cholesterol. If you suffer from high blood pressure or cholesterol, garlic water can be your best ally. This drink will help stabilize blood pressure and may lower blood glucose levels. In particular, people with type 2 diabetes can add garlic juice to their diet. It contains over 400 chemical compounds, which interact with our bodies, balancing our insulin levels. In this way, garlic keeps our blood sugar levels regulated. According to the University of Oxford, garlic contains certain substances that help reduce bad LDL cholesterol by 10 to 15%. Garlic water can thus greatly enhance the benefits of cholesterol-lowering drugs. Number 3, stronger bones. Osteoarthritis and pain in the legs or arms are now among the most common worldwide issues. If you are still suffering from arthritis, garlic water can also help. A study published in the journal BMC Musculoskeletal Disorders on a diet includes garlic and onions, and researchers found that both foods can significantly reduce the risk of osteoarthritis and other bone-related diseases. Number 4, garlic water supports eye health. Garlic water and garlic in general have antimicrobial properties that help and support eye health. Garlic is also rich in sulfur, and researchers found it helps prevent cataracts. As we age, cataracts can pose a danger to our eyes. Many people do not even know they have it until it is too late. The beneficial properties of garlic also help in body inflammation and fight eye diseases associated with diabetes. So, you understand how important it is to add garlic to your diet for at least eye health, to keep your eyesight healthy and your vision strong. Number 5, it improves brain functions. Garlic water, especially in the morning on an empty stomach, can again become our best ally. It is an ideal beverage for the proper functioning of the brain and memory and enhancing our mental health. Additionally, garlic contains natural compounds that increase mood. Its compounds help balance the chemicals that regulate moods in the body and help treat depression. Depression usually occurs when there is an imbalance of these chemicals in the brain and body. Number 6, garlic water fights flu, colds, and coughs. We often use garlic to help prevent or treat coughs, flu, and the common cold. A study states that regularly consuming garlic can reduce the frequency of colds or flu while calming cough. However, it is noteworthy that it did not appear to affect symptom duration. Mixing raw garlic extract in water several times a day can help eliminate the cough. Garlic has excellent anti-inflammatory properties in coughs, asthma, and colds because most of their causes are body inflammations. When using raw garlic, it can help relieve asthma and cough by calming the symptoms, and it is an excellent supplement to help with the condition, although it may not be helpful for asthma prevention. Number 7, it helps to lose weight. Excess fat, especially in the abdomen, can increase the risk of obesity, stroke, heart diseases, and type 2 diabetes. Drinking garlic water in the morning before breakfast offers additional weight and fat loss benefits. According to recent studies, it can promote weight and fat loss. Specifically, the abdomen is the first point where we usually observe fat. Researchers conducted a review in 2021, which analyzed the effects of garlic and its supplement on weight loss. They found through multiple tests that consuming garlic significantly reduced the waist circumference. In addition, French researchers conducted tests of the sulfur components found in garlic. They discovered that sulfur prevents the inflammation that fat cells need to spread to the rest of the body. Furthermore, garlic water helps in weight and fat loss, and it also improves digestion and good bowel function. It may also prevents or removes bloating, discomfort, and diarrhea. Number 8, cancer prevention and destruction of cancer cells. Many people use garlic to prevent cancer because of the organic sulfur compounds. Researchers found that these compounds cause cell death in glioblastomas, a type of brain tumor. This tumor comes from the brain cells themselves and not metastases from another part of the body. In a large population study in China, researchers associate consuming raw garlic with a lower risk of lung cancer. At the same time, garlic has many similar benefits to other cancers and provides essential anti-cancer properties. Number 9, garlic water helps the skin and removes acne. One of the main ingredients of garlic is allicin, which has excellent anti-inflammatory properties. Any substance that can reduce inflammation is beneficial for the overall health of the skin and beyond. People with chronic psoriasis and other inflammatory conditions will find significant skin improvement if they drink garlic water, while it can also help prevent the initial inflammatory foci. Number 10, body detoxification. Fortunately, one dietary trend many people have followed in recent years is detoxifying their bodies frequently. Daily consumption of garlic water can also help our bodies get rid of toxins because we may add toxins to our bodies by consuming fatty foods, alcohol, and sugar. When our bodies remove the toxins weighing them down, they can fight everything from cancer to depression. Detoxification is crucial for our health, and garlic can detoxify the liver, one of the most critical organs in our body's detoxification system. Garlic water drink is a healthy and utterly natural beverage for health. However, it is best to speak with your doctor before drinking it, specifically if you take any medication or have health issues. Have you ever tried drinking 1 glass of garlic water daily? Did you know how much it can help our bodies and overall health? If you found my video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and remember to subscribe to stay tuned for more videos on natural remedies, healthy eating, and overall wellness. Garlic water is a healthy drink that can prevent or improve multiple health problems, and it is also ideal for detoxifying the most vital organs suffering. So, stay healthy and I'll see you in the next video. Be always well and have a wonderful day and week.